How are you doing today? What's for breakfast? Please pass me the water. I'm getting late for work. Where are you going? I'll call you later. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Can you help me? Please, I don't understand this. Let's go for a walk. The weather is very nice today. I'm feeling tired. What's going on here? Do you know him? Please speak slowly. I'm sorry for being late. What do you mean? I'm really hungry. Have a nice day. It's time to sleep. See you tomorrow. Don't make noise. I'm just kidding. Thank you so much.